Hi, today we will be learning something new and exciting. Yes, you are thinking right. Today we will be creating our first Angular project. So let's see the steps how to do it. First, we will be installing the node. Then we will be installing the Angular CLI. And finally, we will be generating our first app. Okay, so these are the steps involved for that. Let us do the first step of installing Node.js. So we will be searching in Google, download latest Node.js. So we will be coding in Angular 20. So it is important to download the latest version of Node.js. Okay, so here you can, if your system is Windows, then you can select Windows 64-bit. If you have macOS, then you can select here macOS also. And after that, click on this Windows installer. So it will be downloading Node.js. Okay, Node.js latest version has been downloaded. So we have downloaded version 22. So let's install it now. So this pop-up will open, then click next. So I have already installed node, that's why I am getting this here, so I can make it change. Then next, this will need some uh, tools that will be downloaded with node, but we don't require these tools for our Angular project, so we will be not checking this checkbox. Then click next, change. Then this make the permission yes. Then node.js will be installing. Finally, Node.js has been set up in our machine. So to check this, we have to do some procedure. So let's do it now. We will be opening command prompt by typing cmd in search box. After opening command portal, here we will type node hyphen v. So it will tell us the latest version of node. So when we install node, it also install npm. So for npm, I will be doing npm hyphen v. Yeah, so both the versions are installed in our machine. Okay, so for this you are now thinking why npm is also installed. So npm comes with node.js only. Okay, so these are the packages which has been installed along with the node. So don't get confused like why node version is 10.9.3 and node version is 22. These both are always different. Okay, now we will be installing our Angular CLI. So the command for installing it is this one. Make sure you are installing Angular CLI version 20 because we will be creating our Angular project in version 20 only. So let's install it. It's installing. So Angular CLI has been installed. So to check this, we will be writing ng version. It will tell us Angular CLI version, our node version, and our Angular version as well. Okay, so after this, we will be creating our first project with this command, which is like ng new my first app. So let's do it. We will be writing the command ng new my first app. So it will install everything. So it is asking, are we going to use CSS, SAS, or SAS? Okay, which is so for this, I will be selecting CSS. Then it is asking, do you want enable server side rendering and static generations? So for this, we will be selecting no. And then it is asking, do you want to create zoneless application without zone.js? We will be telling no. So it is installing the packages now. Packages have been installed successfully. So first, now we will open our VS Code and we will go to the folder where we have created our app. And we will open it. Yeah, see, this is the folder structure of our app. So we can find the HTML in source app.html. Okay, so this is our app file. Okay, so let's here give one command, give h1 tag. Let's give here h1 tag, h1 hello hello world. Okay, so after this we will be running our application. So we will open the terminal. So in the terminal I will be typing ng. So we can do with npm run start. Okay, so if you get this error, there is command to fix this. With this command you can fix this error. Okay, now if you do npm run start, it will start your application. After selecting no here, our application is building now. So it has been built. I am getting one warning here that all imports are unused. Okay, so this is in app.ts. I will go to app.ts. I will remove this import. Say warning has been resolved because we are not using here router outlets. So that's why I have not, I have removed it. So let us see in localhost our application is running or not. We will copy this URL here and we will try to open it in our Google Chrome. See, our application is running fine and hello world is coming. So yeah, friends, we have built our first Angular app very easily. But now most of the YouTube videos will stop here. Okay, but here we will be learning now something new and exciting and something which is asked in interview. Okay, so you have seen like how Node.js and Angular CLI help us to create our Angular project very easily. So we will be learning now what is Angular CLI. Okay. Angular CLI or command line interface is a tool that helps you to create, manage, build, and test Angular application quickly, efficiently, without having manually set up all the configuration. So, as you have seen, to generate our application, we run a command ng new my first app. So, what this command is doing? This command is using Angular CLI, okay, and it is creating all the configuration of our application. Okay, so if you see like tsconfig.jsons, all this code are pre-written and all this code are downloaded from Angular CLI. Okay, if you see package json, it has all the libraries, okay, which are necessary for running our Angular app. Similarly, it has like Angular json file, so it is creating all everything which is needed to for building, manually setting up our project, okay, and testing our Angular application. So it is doing all the background things for the developers, so it saves our time, so we don't have to write configurations manually. It is automatically generated by Angular CLI. Okay, so now you would be thinking everything, if Angular CLI is doing, then what Node.js is doing here. So we will be learning now what is the need of Node.js in our Angular project. So let us learn that now. We install Node.js for our Angular project because Angular entire development ecosystem depends on JavaScript tooling that runs in Node's environment. Here's the background. So first point is like runs the Angular CLI. So Angular CLI is Node.js application. It is written in JavaScript. Okay, so for running it, we will require Node.js. If we give commands like ng serve, ng build, and ng generate without Node.js, then this command will not work because this is the command which helps us to run Angular CLI, which in return run as the JavaScript application, so that our Angular project will run on the browser. Okay, and now second point is along with Node.js comes npm. Okay, so npm is responsible for installing Angular libraries. Okay, so this is the second point. Now third point is building build and building tools. So there are like TypeScript compiler and Babel, which are node based. So for this also we need Node.js. Okay, and to run local development server also we need Node.js. Also for server side rendering we will be requiring Node.js. Okay, so these are the points mentioned in this PPT document, which I will be sharing in this video description. So please go through it and understand this because many interview questions are asked on these topics only. Okay, so please go through it and don't forget to join our Discord community as well as WhatsApp community. Link you can get from our channel. Okay, so this all in this video. So have fun and enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye.